Hey guys, Robbie here from Wonder Off-Road. So last time we were at Overland Expo West, we saw some amazing standout brands for everything you could think of to make your next adventure just a little bit easier to pack or even to have. So today, we're gonna bring you one amazing standout product from Solid Woodworks. So Solid Woodworks, maybe you don't know them as, maybe you know them as Sandy Vans. Well, they're the same company. Now, they're located over here in Southern California out of San Diego. And guys, they make some amazing products for your vehicles, or even they make your vehicle entirely like Sandy Van does. Now, the great part for us over here at Wonder, we've always struggled for so long to pack our gear in the back of our vehicles. It has always been, well, not a great show to be at, you know, but that never took away from our adventure. But we've always had the drive and desire to have something that can make our camping trips a little bit more organized. So we were able to pick up this one from Solid Woodworks. And this is their cabinets for the 5th gen Toyota 4Runner. And I gotta say guys, the build quality and the look is outstanding. All right guys, so let me show you how we pack our drawers here at Wonder Off-Road using this system. Cause I'm gonna tell you what, this just makes life in our next adventure that much easier. So in our first compartment is our cup drawers. Every kind of cup we use, plus our butane for the our Jetboil fits perfectly right there. As we move back a little bit, we have our kitchen and utensils, you know, so everything we need to cook and clean our utensils with, it lives right there. Now, in the drawer next to it you know, we have our Lunatech. So this guy is great for helping us wash our dishes and whatnot. Of course, he's a little too big to fit in this drawer individually, so we had to push him over to the next one. But it's plenty of room because he shares it with our pots and pan set and utensils. So, and then of course, it's also the home for the coffee. The most important thing you can plan on any trip, the coffee. And of course, our Jetboil as well lives here. Now we use the Jetboil Mimo. This is the older style, but solid when it comes to boiling the water for your coffee or for your tea or whatever you may need. Going back a little further, we got our crocodile cloth wipes. These are handy. I already did many videos about this, but that's where we start getting to more utility stuff. So stuff like, you know, the emergency wag bag, just in case I forgot to pack one. Some ponchos. You never know when the weather's gonna hit, but really, it's between me and you guys, the emergency teepee. You always gotta make sure you have some. Never know when it happens, but hey, don't be caught unprepared there. But most importantly, we do carry our trash bags, lighters, and our Snap-on supplied knife set. Yeah, I know. Tell me how much you guys like this one in the comments. So that's pretty much this guy right here, and I'll tell you what, this makes it pretty simple. But there's one more thing. Right here in the back, we have our hose set up for our water port. Of course, it lives right back here, stores away neatly. Of course, our filler hose for that as well. But everything has its own home here on our kitchen side of the drawer. So if you come in a little bit closer right here, you'll see this channel right here on the sides of the drawers. Now this is designed to have a deck. So you could put in they sell a bamboo or essentially a cutting board style that you could put right here, sit it in this, and that way you have a cook station or even a workstation. They get bamboo or metal, and I forget the other material they have, or I think it's this material. So you can keep, you know, your kitchen area or whatever you may need organized, or just even cooking, especially with these 5th gen 4Runners, there is no tailgate, so cooking sometimes is a bit of a chore. But let me show you the other drawer now. So let me show you what's in the right side drawer over here, and this is our utility side of our drawer system. Now, just like the other side, we still have that recess cutout as well, so we could put a deck right here on top of this, so definitely makes it so it's a lot more organized. But let me show you what we got in here. So again, I have more crocodile cloth wipes. These ones specifically are for our Blackstone griddle. Some extra radios in case someone shows up without one. Our tent stakes, and then our drill-in tent stakes. Moving back further, we got our first aid kit from Just In Case Rescue. You never know when you get boo-boos, bumps, bruises on the trail, but at least, hey, you're ready for just in case. The next one, next to it, we have our 1 pound propane tank. These are solid to have. Now, this runs our, of course, our Blackstone as well. And the only thing I put in here, because it wasn't quite, you know, big, tight enough so it would not roll around, is I just put a little grocery bag right next to it and helps keep it from rattling back and forth. Back a little further, we got our hand warmers and our tire repair kit. I know it's a weird combination, but they just seem to work because you need one once in a while, just like you need a tire plug. So it's kind of our once in a while part of the drawer. Next to that though, we got our comma mat. Now this is great. So if you ever need to kneel down or do, you know, air down your tires, or maybe even do some repairs, or what I like to use this one for specifically actually is putting it at the base of our ladder. So that way when I take my shoes off, I can climb up without, you know, tracking dirt inside the tent. And then of course, I have the most important tool, our tool bag. Now this is great, it has a bunch of different miscellaneous tools, but mainly one specific for our vehicle for just in case. Remember, when you're out there, you're only really gonna fix your vehicle, you're not gonna fix everyone on the trails, you know. So, and then further back, we have some additional cables. These are always just great to have in a pinch, just in case things tend to break. So you're always able to have a backup just in case. And then we also have our military folding style shovel. This one's from Rhino USA. Never used it, but even when I was in the Army, we never used them either. They're, you know, so, but it's in a pinch, it's better than nothing, so you can dig yourself out or dig a buddy out. And then we have our hammock right next to it, so if we ever get the opportunity to, you know, have a couple trees next to us. And then right next to that, underneath all that, we have some jumper cables here. So another great feature they have with the drawer system is these wings on the side. You just lift up and you can have additional storage. In this case, we got our little solo stove in here, so we can have some s'mores or something small, but also we can put additional gear in here as needed. And they're on both sides of the vehicle. So we have one on the driver's side and then one on our passenger side, making it easy to store more gear or even powering up supplies. But this is a great part right here. They even left a little recessed cutout right there, so you can still keep items plugged in while you're going down the highway. All right, guys, that is the solid Worx drawer system, guys, for the 5th gen Toyota 4Runner. But that's how we pack our gear here. That's ultimately, like I said, it's gonna make your next adventure a little bit more organized if you get one of these drawer systems. For me, guys, I already see this as the biggest game changer I've added in a long time. So, guys, if you like Wonder Off-Road, consider following us on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. But about Facebook though, we do post up group ones once in a while, so check them out there, guys. Also, if you like Wonder Off-Road, consider supporting us by getting some of our merch from our Shopify store, guys. Check it out, link in the description below. And more importantly, if you have any questions about the drawer system, leave a comment down below. I'll answer them as best as I can. And if you like solid woodworks, hey, give them a thumbs up. But most importantly, guys, consider subscribing to Wonder Off-Road. And if you want to get more Wonder Off-Road or just get some more product or gear reviews, consider watching one of the videos right over here on the right. All right, guys, we'll catch you in the next one.